Hi there and welcome. It's Ashley Hubbard, weight management coach, and today in this video I am going to teach you how to lose weight quickly in 1 month. Now I recommend you watch this video from beginning to end because I will give you some of my top tips that I have to help you lose weight quickly and improve your results. So if you're interested, keep watching. You see, I believe if you have the right information and the right advice and you can follow direction, you can make some phenomenal things happen. I want to give you that advice so that you can use it to improve your present results and lose weight quickly in the next few weeks. I am now going to share with you some of my top tips about diet and weight loss and give you some strategic advice that I have so that you can lose weight quicker, enjoy better health, and move closer towards your weight loss goals. Step number 1. Swap your morning cereal for a protein-rich breakfast. Protein-rich foods fill us up and keep us satisfied for longer, so I highly recommend that you include it in all of your meals during the next few weeks to help you lose weight quickly. You should try swapping your cereal or toast for a protein-based breakfast because this will help keep you fuller for longer and help to prevent mid-morning snacking. One study showed that a high protein breakfast promotes weight loss by regulating our appetite hormones, making us want to eat less later in the day. If you are stuck for a recipe, you can have an organic egg omelette with sliced peppers and spinach. Or you can whiz up a protein smoothie using a good quality protein powder, some low sugar fruit like berries, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of flax seeds, and some almond milk. Step number 2. Fill half of your dinner plate with low calorie vegetables. Here is something that you may not be aware of, but carbohydrates are converted to sugar in the body, and if these sugars aren't used for energy, they're likely to get stored as fat. This means that you can gain extra weight. I recommend that you try your best to avoid foods like white rice, pasta, noodles, and bread. Cauliflower rice and courgette spaghetti make great alternatives to your standard rice and pasta. You can try a simple recipe such as a courgette spaghetti recipe. At dinner, the key thing for you to do is instead make sure that at least half of your plate includes mostly green veg and other low-carb vegetable options such as mushrooms or tomatoes. Step number 3. Include one portion of good healthy fats with all of your meals each day. I highly recommend that you eat fat in your diet. This may sound counterintuitive to what you have been told. Now I know you may be thinking that eating fat leads to gaining weight, but actually the opposite is true. Fat is not only essential for health, but numerous studies have shown that a diet lower in carbs but higher in healthy fats is the best and quickest way to lose weight. So the key point is that you get more healthy fats into your diet. So I will now tell you what foods you can find them in. You can find good healthy fats in oily fish, nuts such as walnuts and seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds. I recommend that you include a moderate portion of healthy fats at each of your meals during the month. I advise that you use a recipe box subscription. This way you can make sure that you are sticking to portion sizes and also getting the nutrients you will need to lose weight quickly. There are some good ones that I recommend, like Simply Cook, who offer low-calorie alternatives to all your favourite dishes, including pasta, steak and curry, and they will deliver all the ingredients you'll need straight to your front door. Please don't go anywhere because I still have some more tips to give you, but if you want a complete diet plan to lose weight quickly, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you can get your custom keto diet plan within a few minutes from now. Literally hundreds of people have had success with this diet program. I will now give you some more tips that I have so that you can lose weight quickly and improve your results. Step number 4. Try and eat only 3 times a day and don't snack. Here is something else to think about. Whilst this does depend on the person, for the average person who isn't following an intensive exercise program, eating 3 meals per day, 5 hours apart, is the ideal strategy for losing weight quickly. For example, you might have breakfast at around 9 a.m, lunch at about 2 p.m. and dinner at 7 p.m. It's also always a good idea to avoid eating late in the evening. I would also advise against constant grazing and snacking. It would be better to eat a substantial meal at your main meals and then allow time in between meals. This allows your body the opportunity to use up some of your stored fat reserves rather than purely focusing on easy energy from the food that you've just eaten. This is another way that a recipe box subscription can help you, as you can tailor your meals to the foods you like to eat. Step number 5. If you want to drink alcohol, you should go for the lowest sugar dry wines. Did you know that alcoholic drinks can contain a surprising amount of calories and sugar, so tracking your alcohol consumption during the week is important for weight loss. Did you also realize that alcohol can also increase your appetite and compromise your willpower when it comes to food choices? So I would recommend that you would be better to avoid it. Here is a side fact for you. The government recommends people drink no more than 14 units a week, which is the equivalent to 6 small glasses of wine. So you should aim to stick to these guidelines as much as you can. My advice to you is this. When you do drink, eat food first to reduce the alcohol's negative effects and opt for low sugar dry wines such as Merlot, Cabernet, Pinot Noir, Chardonnay or Sauvignon Blanc. Step number 6. Aim to drink a pint of water before each meal. Here is some interesting news for you. According to recent studies, drinking a pint of pure water could also help towards quicker weight loss. A recent study monitored 12 adults over 12 weeks. Half of the group were asked to drink 500 ml of water before each of their meals and half weren't. The 6 people that drank water before their meals lost around 2.8 pounds more than those who didn't, which led to them on average losing around 9.4 pounds each over the 12 weeks. So my advice to you is to drink a pint of water with each meal that you have. This way you can lose weight quicker. Step number 7. Give yourself a limit of 1 treat meal a week. You can still have a treat meal every week. However, I suggest you cut down a little and not have them as often. If you choose to cut out everything that you enjoy and you love, this is more likely to end up making you unhappy, so I don't recommend you do it. In order for you to lose weight quickly and for a weight loss program to be effective, it needs to be something that you can stick to consistently. I recommend that you allow yourself 1 treat meal per week where you can eat whatever you fancy, or you can spread your treats over the week. This might be a small bar of chocolate or something similar every day. Remember though, the more treats you have, the slower the weight loss will be, so my advice to you is not to have them too often. Now, I highly recommend that you click the link below the video, where you'll be taken to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. When you are on the website, you'll be able to get your custom keto diet plan for weight loss, and you can literally get it within a few minutes from now. Literally hundreds of people have transformed their lives with this program, so I would like you to get yourself on this plan so that you can put yourself in a strong position and you too can enjoy the same success as these people. So it's definitely worth checking it out. You can find out more about this program by clicking the link in the description box below this video. So now, I would like to ask you a quick question. What video topic would you like to see next? You can tell us right away. Please just leave a comment below the video. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the red subscribe button below this video. Please connect with us on Facebook. The Facebook link is in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your weight loss plan. Have a brilliant day. Thank you.